Good morning! How are you today, guys? Today or this morning, luto tayo ng ano? Luto tayo ng agahan. Usually, kung ano naluto ko, yun ang agahan naming dalawa. Pero ngayon, dalawa lulutuin ko. Yung isa, yung sa kanya, kasi hindi naman talaga siya mahilig sa fried rice for breakfast. Usually for breakfast, gusto niya yung matamis, like pancake, French toast, or just toast with strawberry jam or peanut butter. But today, luto tayo ng fried rice para sa akin at saka yung kanya French toast. Simple lang yung fried rice ko, just garlic and salt and pepper. Tapos yung kanya, just simple lang din na French toast. Ngayon, luto tayo ng French toast. Here in the non-stick pan, the butter is melting. And I have here the egg and milk mixture with a little bit of cinnamon. Dipping the egg, flip it over. After 3-4 minutes, flip it over. My French toast coming along, golden brown. Garlic and scallion is ready for my fried rice. Using the same pan, I'm frying my eggs, 2 eggs, with salt and pepper. Glenn wants his egg, or Glenn likes his egg, the yolk fully cooked. Mine, I want it a little runny so I can put it on top of my fried rice, and you can see the yolk running over the rice. So the one that's flip over is Glenn. Meron din tayong konting vegetables, fried zucchini. I like that crunchy, not overcooked fried zucchini. Flip it over after 3 minutes. First side and both sides. Drizzle a little bit of salt and pepper. Fried zucchini is done. Next, fried rice. Slightly brown the garlic. Don't overcook it or don't burn it. Tastes better. Dagdag mo yung kanin. Ang ginamit mong kanin ay basmati rice, leftover from last night. And konting asin at paminta. A little bit of salt. And breakfast is served. Fried rice, garlic fried rice with green onions and fried zucchini, breakfast sausage, and fried egg. And for my hubby, French toast with strawberry and maple syrup. It's your breakfast. How's
It looks like deluxe breakfast here. Better than Denny's. What's that? French toast?
with maple syrup?
Let's see how it tastes. Yeah.